This is a half-page recipe binder with about kitchen rules, which are great rules to have. Cook with love, say please and thank you, bless the food, try a new recipe. It includes a shopping list notepad here, and it includes a dedication page and lots of cooking advice, the different sections for your appetizers, breads, casseroles, desserts. It's got lots of dividers. It's got some different recipe card protectors inside, so you can slide your recipe cards right in here. Just waiting for that to happen. These are the 4x6 cards because this is a half-page binder. If you don't have enough space in there, and you probably won't if you have a lot of recipe cards, you've got plenty of room to add more because there's plenty of space there. It's a pretty recipe binder. Nice dots on the side and dots on the back.